Jeremy Clarkson, best known for his work on Top Gear and Clarkson's Farm, recently revealed that he underwent a heart procedure after experiencing a sudden and concerning decline in his health. The popular TV presenter detailed the alarming series of events in his column for the Sunday Times, where he opened up about the challenges he faced during what he referred to as the wearisome effects of growing old. The ordeal began while Jeremy was on holiday, enjoying a swim in the Indian Ocean. He noticed that he was having difficulty climbing stairs, a problem he initially shrugged off. However, when he returned home, his health took a rapid downturn. He described feeling clammy, experiencing tightness in his chest, and having pins and needles in his left arm, classic symptoms that raised immediate alarm. Having recently heard about former Scottish First Minister Alex Salmond's fatal heart attack, Jeremy decided not to ignore these signs and promptly contacted his doctor. Jeremy was taken by ambulance to John Radcliffe Hospital in Oxford, where he underwent a series of tests, including an electrocardiogram (ECG), blood tests, and X-rays. While doctors initially ruled out a heart attack, they discovered a more serious issue lurking beneath the surface. Jeremy was then transferred to an operating theater for further checks, where it became clear that he was just days away from facing a major health crisis. In his own words, Jeremy recalled the frightening moment. "It seems that of the arteries feeding my heart with nourishing blood. One was completely blocked, and the second of 3 was heading that way." He was immediately fitted with a stent, a small device that helps improve blood flow to the heart and is used to prevent future heart attacks. The procedure took place within 2 hours of his arrival at the hospital. Reflecting on the experience, Clarkson noted that it wasn't particularly painful, just strange. "Crikey, that was close," he remarked, emphasizing just how near he had come to a more serious health outcome. Following the procedure, Clarkson tried to inject his signature humor into the situation. He joked about his new health-conscious lifestyle, musing about the taste of water and wondering if it was possible to make celery interesting. This light-hearted approach mirrors how he has handled past health issues, including his decision to quit smoking after he contracted pneumonia during a holiday in Spain. In addition to his heart procedure, Clarkson sparked concern among fans earlier this week when he appeared on social media with a bandaged wrist. The dressing was visible while he was promoting his latest book, Diddly Squat, Home to Roost, which is due for release on October 24th. During the video, Clarkson discussed a few novels, including Annihilation by Michel Houellebecq and Demon Copperhead by Barbara Kingsolver, before segueing into a discussion of his own book. However, eagle-eyed fans were quick to notice the suspicious-looking bandage on his wrist, and many took to the comments section to express their concern. One fan asked, "How'd you hurt your wrist, Jezza?" While another speculated about the nature of the injury, commenting, "What happened to your hand? That's a suspicious-looking bandage." A third fan even played detective, noticing the tan line on his other wrist and pointing it out as a clue. Some fans theorized that the bandage was part of a publicity stunt, with one user writing, "Now the rumors will start from that strategically placed plaster. This fella knows how to play the PR game." Others were simply worried, with one exasperated fan pleading, "We all need to know what's happened to your wrist, man." In his Sunday Times column, Clarkson candidly discussed the physical toll that aging has taken on him, noting that the signs of wear and tear are becoming increasingly harder to ignore. His recent health ordeal, combined with past experiences like his battle with pneumonia, have prompted him to take a closer look at his lifestyle. Nevertheless, fans are hopeful that Clarkson will make a full recovery and continue entertaining audiences with his wit, humor, and unique perspective on life. The combination of his new health-conscious outlook, his burgeoning book career, and the continued success of Clarkson's farm means that while he may be facing some personal challenges, Jeremy Clarkson is still very much in the public eye and shows no signs of stepping back from the spotlight anytime soon. As fans eagerly await more updates from the outspoken presenter, many are also sending well wishes for his recovery, hoping that both his heart and wrist heal quickly, allowing him to get back to what he does best, entertaining and engaging with his audience in his signature style.